What's good, man? It's your boy Nah. I'm right here finna get my G fix. You already know. In front of us, we got a Nissan Skyline. Boy, that motherfucker nice as hell. Do y'all even got a dealership with that name?
Sparks.
Hey. I want to show y'all, but it ain't my car, you know what I mean? Like this.
They don't have a license plate.
I know. In front of us, as y'all can see, he got it, man. The Nissan Skyline. And no, he did not debadge his car. He actually got it. It's right-hand drive. He drives on the right side. That motherfucker nice as hell. It's really nice. Yeah, he got more cars, but really don't want to show off his whole fucking driveway. Some nice ass motherfucking cars in this shit. What the hell? Oh no, that can't be his. No, not this shit. I was gonna say it had a nice exhaust on it, but
Bitch, I'm thugging out the womb. Selling dope about the room. My Glock don't blame, my shit go boom. And I don't care what the fuck you doing. What you doing? Bitch, I'm zooming off them shoom sheet.
Fucking heat shield rattle. We trying to take the heat shield off. Motherfucking rusted on, corroded very badly. Very bad.
Yeah. Rolling with me is some rude boys. Yeah. Told them meet me at the track, we back to back, you know what's happening, nigga.
What's good, y'all? The heat shield is now off the whip. Look at all these bikes, though. It's like 100. The cops literally shut that side off. My girl said that it was supposed to be a ride out today, and we're literally on the interstate at the time this shit happening. Yo, this is fucking wild. She wanted to see this shit, and I was like, bro, it's just a motorcycle ride out. And it really got my attention. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is hard.
In about 1 mile, follow I-84 west.
Look at that shit, y'all. They hold it right there. They holding traffic off. Wow. For the bikes, for this ride out, they got traffic literally chilling. Damn. So they finna be closing exit after exit.
Yeah, no one can enter.
I think the truck coming, so that might be the end of it. Cause he's swerving. You see how he doing the little swerve shit?
Yeah.
Making sure that nobody hit them.
That's weird. I thought it was supposed to start at 11.
West.
Maybe they finna go meet somewhere right now. They on their way somewhere.
Yeah, that's true, because they do have to go all the way down to Mountain Home, and that's like an hour.
Word. We got the heat shield off the car. It sounds beautiful, my guy. Like, when we get off the interstate and I can drop these windows, we're gonna show y'all how beautiful a car can sound. Because I was so scared to hit this bitch. But now it just, it's there. It ain't no rattle. That's this nigga with his foot out the Jeep. It is let me slow down. There's cops on the interstate today because of this ride out. Yada. Who the fuck do you think you are? Bitch ass truck try to play. You don't want to play. They bite. Hey police, look, I'm going 100. And now I'm going 80. You need to turn this AC on. So the fuck need to get on. Finna start fucking sweating. You ain't tell me I ain't have my beautiful LA hat on. He's speeding. On the dash, moving fast, you ain't got no cash. Hey, motherfucker, you be coming in last. 100 on the dash, we be moving fast. Yeah. You be moving too damn slow, I had to pass you. Now we going 80, now we going 92. Ooh! Tell that bitch you gotta read a novel. And them bitches know we preaching on that gospel. And I don't give a fuck, cause nigga, this is nacho. Ooh!
In about 1 mile, exit on your right, then slight right turn.
You see how quick we just left their ass though? Like we took off. Oh, this nigga tryna.
Exit on your right.
Show you
then
little bitch
slight
ass niggas
right
how to
turn.
drive a whip.
In 2/10 of a mile, slight right turn. Slight right turn ahead.
Alright, Siri.
It's not Siri.
It's the old Siri. Can't drop the windows right now, but I can give y'all a nice little sound clip of what's going on right here. You heard me? You heard me, niggas right here. We driving tonight. We popping. We popping. Big nitros.
Ready?
That all-wheel drive, boy. That shit crank in when you let go.
That was weird.